is absolutely hot, and so are the careers in AI, especially in India. But here's the real question: is the opportunity real, or is this all hype? So we decided to find out. We analyzed real job data from India's top job platforms and used Microsoft Copilot to break it all down. And here's what we found. It's fascinating. Right now, India has over 45,000 active AI related job openings. But here's the catch: they're not evenly distributed. More than 60% of these jobs are just in two cities. Any guesses? Probably you're right: Bangalore and Hyderabad. Add in Pune and Delhi NCR, and you're looking at the entire AI job market. Four cities, that's where all the jobs are. Which means one thing: if you want to build a career in AI, you may have to move. Now let's talk money. Starting salaries are quite good. They start from anywhere from 6 lakhs to 35 lakhs per year, depending on your experience. But it's not random. Entry level, you're looking at somewhere between 6 to 12 lakhs per year. Yes, you heard correctly, up till 12 lakhs per year. Roles are mostly data analyst or junior ML engineer. Mid-level, if you have 3 to 6 years of experience, that jumps, and it jumps really fast, to anywhere between 12 to 22 lakhs per year. And this is where specialization starts to matter. Senior level, if you've got 7 years and above, you're looking at anywhere between 20 to 35 lakhs per year, even possibly more. So if you're working as an AI researcher or a lead data scientist, these roles are totally in demand. And yes, of course, Bangalore pays the highest, Hyderabad and Pune follow. Delhi NCR is competitive but has fewer openings and lesser pay. Now the big question: what are the roles actually in demand? Here are the top 5 roles in India that are trending right now. At number 1, you've got data scientist with over 12,000 openings. It's still the king of the AI job market. At number 2, you've got machine learning engineer, building and deploying real AI systems. At number 3, you've got AI researchers who are working on cutting edge models and innovation. Number 4, you've got a computer vision engineer teaching machines how to see. And at number 5, you've got NLP engineer that power chatbots, voice systems, and language AI. Natural language processing is very hot. But here's where it gets interesting. Getting one of these jobs is still not easy. Freshers are still struggling. Why? Because companies just don't want degrees anymore. They want proof of work. They want real projects, real deployments, real understanding. And the skill bar is high. Across roles, companies are consistently asking for Python, TensorFlow, or PyTorch, and knowledge of cloud platforms like AWS or Google are increasingly hot for these ML operation roles. In fact, employers are no longer hiring just AI talent. They're hiring people who can build, deploy, and scale AI systems. Which brings us to the hard truth. The biggest challenge in AI careers today is not the lack of jobs, it's skill mismatch. Let's break down the real risk. First, skill inflation. What used to be advanced is now expected at entry level. Second, the rapid change. Generative AI, LLMs, fine-tuning. These weren't even mainstream a few years ago. Now they're becoming mandatory skills. Third, tool fragmentation. Different companies use different stacks. Some use TensorFlow, some use PyTorch, some are on AWS, some are on Google Cloud. You can't rely on one ecosystem. And fourth, the geographic concentration. If you're not in the right city, you're already at a disadvantage. But here's the upside. If you get this right, AI is the highest leverage career you can build today. Because the winners won't be just people who know AI, they'll be the people who can apply AI to real world problems in business, in healthcare, in finance, in education. So, if you're thinking about a career in AI, don't just ask, what course should I take? Ask, what can I build? Because in this market, projects are beating certificates, execution is beating theory, and the gap between the two is exactly where the opportunity lies.